Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna be needing a bowl, normal size, like not too big, not too small. Potatoes, of course, to make the chips. Look, I've got 4 big potatoes. Some oil. It can be oil of your choice. A knife, like a special knife, like to cut like the potato. So we're gonna first use the potato, the knife, and the bowl. We're gonna put the oil to the side for the moment. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting it in a sort of way like this, and watch out not to cut yourself with the potato. Maybe you're gonna might need an adult's help over here. It's as you wish, so you're gonna have to cut it in a sort of way like this. You see, it gets a lot. So I'm just gonna time lapse it a little bit. So yeah, so you can see the results, and it doesn't take too long. Okay, so you're also gonna need a stove with some boiling oil, your chips, well, potatoes, a bowl with some paper to suck it in. So we're gonna start first of all by waiting for the oil to boil up. Get some salt. So once it's boiled up, you can put the salt into it, like so. There we go, that might be enough. And start putting the potatoes in it. Watch out not to burn yourself. Ask an adult for help. So there we go. Don't put too much. Don't put like nothing in it, because it might suck if you're gonna have to do it like 20 times. Because you really do need. You're gonna need a lot. Like patience and time. Look at mine. It's small and like there's nearly nothing in it. So guys, I'm sorry. I know it's getting dark and you can barely see it. But I'm trying my best. So please like please stop the video and zoom in if you can. Okay, so there we are. We have the chips over there boiling. So now we're gonna wait. Once it looks nice and crispy, you can start taking it out.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to add a little flavor. So today I'm going to use onion, but you can use anything else. So you cut off a bit of the edge, take your slicer, your knife, and you go a few times right into the oil, so it falls into it, not onto the chips. Don't worry. Ah, dang it! It fell into it. So afterwards, you can also eat it, and it gives flavor to your chips. So I would really recommend it. Look at that. There. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first of all cover up the other part of the chips like that. And now what I'm going to do is add the chips into here. There we go. Add them in. I can already smell the onion. I know you guys won't be able to, but for me, I can already smell it. There. And you might be wondering why you can hear the sound of me cooking. The only reason is that because my family's gone, and so I was able to record in silence over here. You might hear some background noises. I'm not sure. I'm gonna cancel them. I'm gonna try to cancel them. And yeah. So that's the only reason I can record directly and not add it afterwards. So you can also add a bit more to it. It's as you wish. Like, I'm gonna add a lot to it because I love it just after that. So do my sisters. And well, yeah, I hope Pika will like it. Well, she won't eat these ones with onion, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna eat the other ones. There you go, guys. Lovely chips. While you're watching this, don't forget to leave the like button, and if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe as well. So, there. Guys, also don't forget to check, if you're on TikTok, don't forget to check out my account over there as well. Links, well, not down in the description because I won't be able to put it in. I'll try to, okay? Promise. So it's just Demon YouTube. That's my name. In small letters. You can also search me up on scratchmit.edu, where I am also on. And over there I program games and fun learning stuff. Actually, my previous video was about that. So make sure to go and check it out. If you want a detail of my Scratch account, it's called Demon on YouTube. Demon www.demonyoutube.com. Oh yeah, it's not that hard to memorize. Okay, there. So guys, now that you watched the whole video, nearly entirely, just to be sure to be prepared, you can start asking a parent, or you can do it yourself as you want, on how to do it. One thing I still want to show you is how to add salt onto it. So like, you know what, I'm just going to take the top pieces off from here, so it goes away. I'm going to take the bottom, so you take approximately, well, as you feel, if you want it salted or not, around 11 grams of salt. You might have to convert it to pounds if you want, because I'm not sure how much that is. I never went to America, I never lived there, but it's delicious. Real good. Wow. So, you put it along, then the paper, the bottom, is so you can shake it up, mix it around, add some salt there as well, and continue mixing. While I'm doing this and talking, the rest is getting burned. Dang it. It looks quite cool. So there we go. We got some onions ready next to it. but it doesn't really look that good. But trust me, when it's dry, when all the oil is gone, it's gonna look amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip forward a little bit, so make sure to watch until the end. Okay, so once we're ready, we can start scooping out the onion, put it back onto the top. As you can see, there's loads of oil on it. So what I recommend to do is put another piece of paper onto it once you took out everything. There. So you took out the onion. It's done. Now, take another piece of paper from the paper roll, there, and put it onto it, there. So it look at that. It absorbs the oil, which is important. So while it absorbs, let's just put this to the side. Other side. And if you still have oil and a little bit of, how do you call it? Dang it, I forgot. Potatoes. Then you can throw them in or eat them. They're not that bad. They're actually delicious. Look. Just amazing. Or you can just empty the rest of your onion into it. That is what I'm going to do. Put in the onion. It's just gonna taste amazing. Oh, I can't manage. Oh my god. There. My grandma just told me like not to cut my finger. But it's too late. Over there. Yeah, we can see it a little bit. Not much, though. Okay. There we go. So now you don't really want to burn them. So what I'm gonna look. Really, you should empty the whole thing into it. But even if you don't really have. Oh my god, I am just so good at aiming. Maybe that's why I never play shooting games. A lot. I've got one shooting game actually on my channel. You can go and check it out. It's I found a new game on Crazy Games. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna make it appear at the end of the screen. End of this video if you want to watch it. There you go. So now we've got this. There. What I'm going to do now is take the little bits of the onion there out. Put this to the side. So and this, well, you can do whatever you want. It's not much left over. You can see it's empty. So if you want to use it, you can still put it in. I'm not going to use it because my finger still hurts. But this is starting to look amazing. So I'm just going to bring this and put them right on the top. There we go. Some lovely, delicious onions. So this time I didn't use potatoes from my grandparents' garden, since my grandpa kind of fell off the roof, and didn't really have time to plant some. Don't worry, he's alright. And if you don't worry, well, now you know. So, there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below, put some salt onto your things. Don't worry. Put some salt onto it. Okay, guys. See you next time.